What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And it is coming to that time of year where you put away the shorts and the tank tops. Or maybe if you wear them around the house, you keep them. You don't put them away. But you ain't going to be wearing them outdoors. Okay? You get a little chill in the air, or it's almost to winter time. So today we bring you a video on the top 3 purchases you need to make from the Milwaukee Tool Company so that you keep yourself warm for the season. And it's coming right up. A lot of people get all wrapped up in the heated gear. You need this, you need that. You know, I think that staying warm, and this is what this video is about, staying warm in the great outdoors, okay, while you're working outside. Staying warm starts with a good base layer. So I think the first thing you need to look into is this Workskin mid-weight performance shirt. Okay, let's read about it. Let's do this together, people. Milwaukee Workskin mid-weight base layer is constructed to handle the demands of hard work and cold conditions. Fast-wicking sweat zones underneath the arms and across the back move moisture away from the body quickly in high sweat areas to avoid dampness, cold, and freezing. Durable, long-lasting fabric used in other areas provides more insulation while resisting piling and fighting odor to extend product life. When worn next to skin and under outer layers, Workskin manages moisture and body temperature to help tradesmen work dry. Tradespeople. Work dry, stay warm, and stay comfortable in the cold. This is the deal. A lot of people don't realize this. A lot of cold conditions come from not having the proper base and mid layers, okay? Especially, and they're not on this list, but socks, for instance. You have cold feet. The reality of the cold feet syndrome is because you're wearing like a thick sock that you would think would be warm, but it's the wrong material. It doesn't move moisture away from your skin, and what happens is your feet sweat. Then they become wet. The socks become wet. And then the cold, because of the moisture in the sock, make your feet cold. That's the deal. So this good base layer, okay, is going to help manage that perspiration so that it moves it away from your skin, and it will evaporate or whatever it's got to do, and you'll stay warmer. So this is very important. I think you could put on all the heated gear you want. If your base layers and all are wet, you're going to freeze. You're going to be frozen. Still going to be frozen. Drop tail extended back provides extra coverage. Oh, there you go. No slip cuffs won't stretch out when pulled up and around forearms. So these here, a lot of times in cheaper type gear like this, these cuffs, they don't have good elastic in them. And you try to roll them up and they slip back down if you were going to roll up those sleeves or pull up those sleeves. So it's mid-weight, 210 grams. Antimicrobial treatment fights odor, which is very important. You know, sometimes this stuff can start to stank. Nobody likes that stank. You know what I mean? If a lot of times, like, there's nobody around and you're looking around going, man, what's that smell? It's probably you. You don't want that to be you. So that's number 1. Let's move on to number 2. Let's talk about the heated gear. Okay. It says born out of necessity on sub-zero commercial job sites and developed by teams of advanced engineers. Milwaukee Heated Gear combines patented carbon fiber heating technology with the power and durability of red lithium batteries to battle extreme temperatures. Custom developed materials maximize durability and flexibility, outperform traditional fabrics against abrasion and tearing. High wear zone reinforcement and trade focused features maximize utility and extended product life. You don't expect your tools to break down, neither should your gear. So that's the deal with that. It's funny if you're watching this little, look at it. There's the competitor, and here is Milwaukee. Boom, it heats right up. Now it starts to heat up the competitor, but it's like immediate heat. Look at it. Look at it. Then after 8 minutes, it starts to catch up. Look at that, heat on demand. Reach optimum heat 3 times faster than the competitors. These are the different offerings. You got the heated tough shell jackets. Stretch polyester survives the job site. Wind and water resistant. Free flex mobility gussets. Reinforced high wear zones. Drop tail extended back as well. And it's available in red, black, or camouflage. You can see them there. Now, here is the heated Axis jacket. I actually like this is my favorite of the jackets. I just like the crosshatch pattern. You know, it's about looks. I don't believe. I mean, I would rather have, and I have problems with my neck and shoulders. Okay, so I would prefer to have. And when I say neck and shoulders, what I mean is that I'm more, instead of me getting like a tendency to have a problem in like, you know, in this area, I would rather have it in my shoulders. I just would. I wish they had like, you could flip this around. But this Axis ripstop polyester is more durable and built to layer. Wind and water resistant, compressible, designed for layering. Polyester insulation keeps heat in and doesn't add bulk. Reinforced high wear zones protect from abrasion and tears. Available in men's jackets, men's vests, women's jackets, and women's vests. Look at that. Let's see if we can see this picture. That's nice. That's real nice. Look at this guy. He's in the snow. This guy's in his truck. This is a vest. And this guy's all layered up. Then you can get the hoodies. There we go, the hoodies. You can see the heat in the hoodie is out front here. Waffle weave thermal lining keeps heat in. Fitted hoodie provides full range of vision. Nice. Durable utility pockets have reinforced edges. Red, gray, black. So they have a flavor for everybody. Let's move on to number 3. U.S. rechargeable heated gloves. Now, I gotta tell you, me personally, you know, the only time I would consider wearing these heated gloves, personally, and I'm gonna get them just for this reason. When I'm using, I don't have heat, my Honda snowblower, if you haven't seen my Honda snowblower, you can go over this video here. But my Honda snowblower, as crazy as expensive it is, it doesn't have heated handles. So I've decided I'm gonna get the USB rechargeable heated gloves. Here it is. Gridiron ripstop polyester, survives the job site. Smart swipe, tough screen compatible index finger. So that means that you can use this with a smartphone. Leather palms and fingers improve dexterity. Extended cuff protects from the elements. Fleece. What's wrong with me? Fleece lining provides warmth and comfort. Let's take a look at some of these pics. So you can see it works with the smartphone. Oh, look at that. A lot of dexterity. Look at, he's carrying cinder blocks. And he's running his circ saw. Nice. But if the heated gear, I feel like, needs to start. You can wear all the heated gear you want. But my favorite's right here, the base layer. I think staying warm in cold climates starts with a good base layer. And if you like keeping warm in cold climates by wearing the appropriate base layer, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here and you like our list of the top 3 items, tools, gear, clothes, workwear that'll keep you warm this winter season, from the Milwaukee Tool Company, then get subscribed. We do videos like this all the time. Stay tuned. Smash the bell notification. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Hope you like our list. If you don't, let us know how you keep warm down in the comment section below. What do? Do you rub 2 sticks together and then start a fire and then hover over a can? Like, how do you keep warm in the winter months on the job site? We want to know. Leave it down below. Later, everybody.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that,
watch this video here, here, and maybe over here.
See you later.